Welcome to all. From today, we are going to start cantilevers. You can make a heading, but question number I am continuing. See, from beginning only I am insisting on serial number for questions. I will continue same serial numbers. So, that is question number 42. I will first dictate the question. Then some important information is there. I will give that one. A cantilever beam is of length 3.2 meter. Okay. First I will read the question, 1 minute. A cantilever beam is of length 3.2 meter. It is loaded by an UDL of 8 kN per meter over the entire length. There are 3 concentrated loads of magnitudes 12 kN, 25 kN and 20 kN respectively in order I am giving at free end, means first given is at free end, at 1.1 meter from free end and at 0.9 meter from fixed end. Find support reactions. Okay, now horizontal loads are not given. So it will be given little later. Right now, our purpose is to find vertical reaction and reacting moment which are required for SFD BMD. But little later, even for simply support beams also, I will continue with inclined load solve. Okay, now put the sketch. See, make a note. It is told cantilever beam. Which end fixed, which end free, not told. But fortunately, in the question, it is not given distance from left end or right end. It is given from fixed end and free end. So crystal clear. Because same question, if it is not given at fixed, which is fixed end, which is free end, then if the loads are given with respect to left and right end, it is nonsense. Because somebody can take cantilever. See, you can take cantilever like this. Then answer will change. This I told earlier. It is a responsibility of the person who is going to set the question to see that unique question is there. Okay, now that's all. First class, support reactions. First of all, I will not waste time because these are all told earlier. We are coming second round with multiple loading. Long back for cantilever, very thoroughly I explained. It is your duty or you are bound to refer earlier. If you don't refer all earlier questions all systematically, then you will not be able to follow completely what I tell. See, the responsibility from your side. So many principles are told. Everything if you understand, read, go through, correctly make a note, understand, then there is no problem. Again I will tell you, my class is meant for those who are very serious about learning, not for those who want to go through the class for time pass or just like that. Okay. I told earlier, in case of cantilever, one fixed end, one free end. Free end there is no support. At the fixed end, 3 reactions possible. Vertical reaction, horizontal reaction and reacting moment. Okay, then here we have taken fixed end at A. So therefore I will tell after, see my explanation is still pending. As per the explanation given so far, I will write let see VA vertical reaction. Okay, 1 minute. Direction required. This all I told earlier. To decide the direction, see in cantilever there is only one support. In simply support beam there are 2 supports. If overhang is there, when you apply load that side, a chance of lifting. But here that possibility is not there because vertical reaction will be, this vertical reaction will balance complete vertical loading. See here, all loadings are vertically down. So therefore 100% vertical reactionality is upward. So VA, this all I told earlier, VA upward, horizontal reaction, this question I am writing. Next question I will not write. I will tell today only, HA, I will assume right side, B, vertical reaction and horizontal reaction at fixed support at A, that is not red color, at, oh again red is coming, 1 minute, at fixed support, I told reaction comes fixed support at A, as per my, I have taken the point as A, and very important, not over, fixed support will have vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, and also reacting moment, and MA, direction I'll tell you, B, reacting moment, next time I won't write, moment at, once again, fixed support at A. All reactions at A. Now, regarding direction, I explained very clearly earlier. See, now all you have to do is correctly observe. You hold the, come to fixed end. Only one support is there. There is no sharing of load here now. See, therefore, hold here. Load is acting down. So, vertical reaction up. Then, horizontal reaction, don't bother now. Or you always consider rotational effect about the fixed end. Never tell A, left end, right end, or AB. Rotational effect at the fixed end for the given loading. See here. If you hold the fixed end here as a pin, all these loads will try to rotate the beam. See, if free to rotate the beam in clockwise direction. That is called action. This also I told many times earlier. That is action. Reaction is opposite. Therefore, this loading will try to rotate the beam with respect to fixed support. Don't tell A, in the clockwise direction. So, for equilibrium, support at A should offer an anti-clockwise moment. Action is clockwise, reacting moment anti-clockwise. Next, this already earlier I told 10-15 times. Next time I won't tell. Okay. So therefore, I will take MA anti-clockwise. But make a note, in case some confusion is there, mix-up is there, in that case nothing to worry. By chance you take wrong direction, what will happen? When you solve, you will get negative sign. Remember, when you find moment, reacting moment, you will make clockwise positive. That sign convention has nothing to do with the answer. Positive sign for the unknown, I told repeatedly, when you consider when you apply basic conditions of static equilibrium and solve for an unknown reaction, positive sign indicates that assumed direction is correct. So, if you get a positive sign, that reaction is in the same direction as you assume it. Suppose when you take moment, you take either clockwise positive, anti-clockwise positive, it has nothing to do with the calculation. So, if you get now, therefore later, if you get MA positive sign, it means MA is anti-clockwise, same direction, what you assumed. By chance, if you get negative sign, it means assumed direction is wrong. So instead of anti-clockwise, it will be clockwise. At the end of this class, I will give information for you. Okay. Over. Now, prepare a neat sketch. As usual, always prepare a neat sketch. When I want. One question I will systematically solve now today. Today only one question. But of course, some truth, that I will give next time, not today. Okay, UDL, one point load here, one more point load here. Okay, this is 20 kilonewton, 25 kilonewton. See, I am doing combination of UDL and point load. Only point load, I will give exercise for you. Once you solve for UDL and point load, if only point load, 2 or 3 means you can easily solve. I will give plenty of exercise for you. Master question is I am doing here now. This is 8 kN per meter. Okay, then this is the point A, this is B. Remember, our fixed support is A. Very important, A. Now, distances. Full span is full length is 3.2 meter. It is given from here to here is 0.9 meter. This distance given is 1.1 meter. So this gap required 1.1 plus 0.9 is 2 meter. So if you want this gap, it will be 1.2 meter. Remember, not given, calculated. Okay. Now, what direction of reaction you assumed here? Mark here. We took VA upwards. Okay. VA upwards. We took HA right side. Okay. Actually, it's not required. Okay. HA right side. We considered MA in anti-clockwise direction. Very important. Anti-clockwise direction is MA. Over. Now, first of all, I will do one thing now. I will go for the unwanted one now. See. Sigma H equal to 0, right side positive, HA plus HA, that's all. Nothing is there, equal to 0. Therefore, HA becomes 0. Now onwards, till I get horizontal loads on a cantilever beam, I will not waste time every time writing HA, then tell HA equal to 0. 1, 2 or 3 questions I will tell, consider HA in any direction, sigma is 0, write HA equal to 0. Don't tell HA, it can be HB also, because right side fixed end, horizontal reaction 0. Then I will stop that one till I consider horizontal loads. Okay, now you are left with VA and MA. Your order is sigma M0 and sigma B0. See, always I apply sigma M first. Sigma M is 0. I see again class, something I am telling. Sign positive. We will take clockwise positive. Make a note here. This sign has nothing to do with the answer. You take clockwise positive or anti-clockwise positive, whatever positive. Later, when you decide the direction for reaction or when you observe the sign you got for the unknown, at that time, never and never and never see this sign convention. You can take whatever you want. If your assumed direction is correct, positive will come. If assumed direction is wrong, negative will come. I will stop the statement now. Okay, start. Which point moment? You can take moment about any point. See, simply support beam, VA and VB. If you take moment about A, VA into 0, VB you get. Or if you take moment about B, VB into 0, you will get VA. But this time not that way. If I take moment about B, see here, VA will have moment and also MA will come. But if I take moment about A, then HA into 0, VA also into 0, only MA will come. Therefore, last, this I told earlier many times. Lastly, I will tell, when you consider sigma M0 for a cantilever beam, always take moment about the fixed end. A equal to 0. YA class. Reason, fixed end. Always take moment about fixed end. Okay. Put the finger here. Now, I will tell last time. Later, when you go for bending moment calculation or shear force calculation, wherever you are, you have to consider only one side. Either you consider right side or you consider left side. But remember, that is later for shear force bending moment. But again, class, see, once again, one more class note, class. But when you apply equilibrium condition, it is not one side. You have to see the complete beam. If you stand at A, you have to look right side and also left side. Or see here, full system you have to see. And I told thousands of times, when you take moment about A, VA into 0, HA into 0, MA into not 0. MA is a couple. For a couple, wherever is the couple, whether you take moment about A or moment about this point or this point or this point, it is MA only. So, not one side. One side I will tell you later when you go to shear force bending moment. So, put finger at A. Okay. Finger at A. Start. Anyway, start from there. 12 into 3.2. This I should not explain. Why? It is already outdated now. Clockwise positive plus 12 into, see, I am still marking it into 3.2. Clockwise plus again clockwise. 25 into, this is 3.2, this is 1.1, about A is 3.2 minus 1.1 is 2.1. That much common sense required, 2.1. Okay, that also over, it's okay. Then plus 20 into 0.9. See, I am not removing the finger from here, not over, plus clockwise. UDL, 8 kilo, this I should not explain now. 8 kilonewton per meter for 3.2 meter. 8 into 3.2 is the total load into 3.2 by 2 because you are taking moment about the edge of the UDL. See, sometime I will write equal to 0 by habit. No, if you write equal to 0, you start wondering what to do now. So therefore, this side all over and then VA into 0, I am not writing. HA into 0, I am not writing because it's already explained earlier. Lastly, minus MA. Why minus MA? Because we have considered it as anti-clockwise. Our sign is clockwise positive. Minus MA equal to 0. Solve it. Therefore, you get the value of MA in kilonewton meter. I not solved it. 12 into 3.2 plus 25 into 2.1 plus 20 into 0.9 plus 8 into 3.2 into 3.2 by 2 is 149.86. Remember, this is minus MA, this is plus, this minus MA, that side will become plus MA, MA will come plus. Oh, forgot the number. 149.86. 149.86 kilonewton meter. Now only make a note. Later, when you mark the final reaction MA, do not see this clockwise path, don't see this one. We go, see, you should write in the class, I will tell now. Make a note. We considered MA in anti-clockwise direction. Why anti-clockwise? Because we know it is anti-clockwise, okay. Or you can take anything. And when you found the value of MA, it came, sign came positive sign. This positive sign indicates that, do not see here, this positive sign indicates that the assumed direction is correct. Therefore, the final reacting moment at A will be no plus sign now, 149.86 kilonewton meter in anti-clockwise direction. Over. Now I will not tell further. Next. Sigma V equal to 0. Red color is not required. Equilibrium, I use red color. Sigma V0, take upward positive. Here it is moment. Moment means load into distance. For MA, there is no distance. Now, sigma V0, only vertical loading, that's all. So, now no moment into. So, start here. Plus VA, minus 20, minus 25, because this is not moment, it is a load. Minus 12, minus 8 into 3.2. 3.2 equal to 0. Therefore, you will get VA equal to 20 plus 25 plus 12 plus 8 into 3.2. 82.6 kilonewton. Plus will come, important, plus 82.6 kilonewton. Make a note in the class. I will not explain once again. Plus sign we got. I will ask in the class, what is sign you are using? Students will tell, sir, upward positive. Don't answer the question. This sign has nothing to do with this one. When you decide how is the final reaction, do not see sign convention. You can take whatever you want. It has no effect on the answer. This positive sign indicates that what direction we assumed here is correct. Therefore, later vertical reaction at fixed end VA is 82.6 kilonewton, no plus minus, in the upward direction. Okay, over. That's all. Write the answer now. Therefore, reactions at supports, okay, red color is not required, reactions, I am not entering there, at support, therefore I let support reactions, okay, simple language. Therefore, support reactions, only one place, support reactions will be as shown below. As shown below. Okay, neatly mark the beam. I will not write everything now. See, if you want, put the beam. Those who are serious, write this length. Then mark this UDL. Those who are serious, mark this UDL. Mark the point load. Mark the point load. Mark the point load. Write how much, write how much, write how much, write how much, write this distance, write the given distance. You write this sketch once again here. Next time onwards, I will not write here. I will tell, therefore, I will once again, I will tell, write one more sketch, but I will enter it here only. Because why? When you go there, this sketch is gone. But you should never make the habit of entering the answer in the original diagram. Okay, now see, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. How? See here. Horizontal reaction at A, HA, we took right side, it came 0, so don't waste time, HA is not there. If you are that much eager, write here, HA equal to 0. Next time I won't write. Vertical reaction at A, we took upward, positive sign came, so there is a vertical reaction VA here equal to 82.6 kilonewton. Reacting moment MA, we considered anti-clockwise. Positive sign came, correct. It is anti-clockwise reacting moment. Wherever you want, write here. MA equal to A. A is not clear. Okay, I write here, not there. MA equal to, where is it? 149.86 kilonewton meter is the final answer we got. This is the answer. Okay. Now, do one thing. Question is over now. Only today I am not doing only one question. Next time onwards, marathon questions. Next time I will give, see, I will give partial UDL, etc. Only point load, I will give exercise for you. And I will change. Instead of left hand fixed, I may take right side fixed. I will keep on changing it. Now, just right here. Solution right here in class. Solution is completely over. Now, just for information, only for information. See, we took moment about A, we got MA, moment and sigma V0, we got VA, or I told when you apply moment about sigma M equal 0, always consider the moment point or consider moment about the point where unknowns are there. So that's why A. Now, only for understanding purpose, see what happens. Write a note here. All this one over, okay, 1 minute. This is only to understand. Okay, this will remain same. Okay, 1 minute. After everything is over, you do one thing. You write this sketch once again. Once again write here. Then write here. Sigma M, sigma H0, HA equal to 0. Sigma M about which point? Any point you can take. Someone will ask, sir, what will happen if I take moment about B? Take any point. Okay, take moment about B. Why B? Just like that. B0, take clockwise positive. Right here. Class, why B? I will tell in the class. Don't take about B. Unnecessary complication you are making. Not complication, you are making lengthy. So it is better not take moment about the fixed support always, but only curiosity. Curiosity. just to see what happens. Okay, no problem. Take moment about B. See what happens. Moment point is here. See here. From here you start. Minus ME, no into. That's all. See, it is a couple. Minus MA over HA into 0. Don't waste time. But VA is there now. VA into 3.2 clockwise. Plus VA into 3.2. 3.2 is a black color. VA into 3.2. It is a clockwise. So plus. Then minus 20 into 1.2 plus 1.1 is 2.3. Yes. Minus 20 into 2.3. Minus 20 into 2.3. Then moment about B. Minus 25 into 1.1. 1.1. And remember 12 into 0. Why? Moment about B. 12 into 0. Then minus 8 into 3.2 minus 8 into 3.2 is the total load multiplied by, once again, 3.2 by 2. See, last time it was clockwise. About B it is anti-clockwise. Over. That's all. Equal to 0. Right. Oh. Last time when you took moment about A, directly we got MA value. But this time when you took moment about B, along with MA, VA also came. So, for a cantilever, never consider sigma m0 about the free end. You always take moment about the fixed end only, where unknown reacting moment M is there. About the now, you cannot do anything. You write here. You call this as equation number 1. See, one number you have to give now. Okay, make it equation number 1. Then make sigma. Next I tell here. Next go here. Sigma V0. See, from here next sigma V0. Whatever is there, copy. See, sigma V0. I already written here. Why should I waste time here? Sigma V0 is there. Okay, copy it. Copy it. Plus VA minus 20, minus 25, minus 12, minus 8 into 3.20, copy. Therefore, VA we got how much? Plus 82.6 kilonewton. Now do one thing. Substitute VA equal to plus 82.6 kilonewton in equation number 1. There is only one equation. Now you substitute. You substitute. And you show the calculation. I will tell you. See, minus MA plus 82.6 into 3.2 minus all this rate equal to 0. Simplify it. MA has negative sign here. Take other side. You will get MA equal to kilonewton meter. I need not calculate. I got confidence. If it comes some other answer, there is no meaning for structural engineering now. Still, for your satisfaction, see, by chance, if this answer is wrong, when I found MA, in case any calculation mistake is there, now you can realize it here. Okay, let me check it. How much VA? VA is 82.6 into 3.2 minus 20 into 2.3 minus 25 into 1.1 minus 8 into 3.2 into 3.2 divided by 2 is minus MA plus 149.860 equal to 0 minus MA plus 149.860. Therefore, MA equal to plus 149.86 kilonewton meter. Okay. Oh, right here. Same answer what he got last time. Plus means assume correct. Therefore, prepare this diagram. See, we assumed VA upwards, MA anti-clockwise, answer over. Same answer once again. Now, only for understanding purpose. See, actually this is all only for subject knowledge. Do one thing. Or, see, only this. Next time I won't write it here. Or, see, 8 here. Again, for curiosity, for more curiosity. Sir, you told A and B. Can we take moment about any other point? Yes, no problem. Any point you take. Do one thing. Let us apply. First, when you start solving only, sigma m0 clockwise positive about a new point. See this A and B. Some random point, say about Q equal to 0. Q is any random point. Which point? Anywhere. Say you decide where you want. I will ask in the class which point you want. See, either from A or tell me. Sir, 1.6 meter. From where? Sir, free end. Okay. Say at 1.6 meter. Oh, no, I will tell. No, if you take 1.6 meter, it is the center of the beam. Take some other point. Then say 1.7 meter. Okay. 1.7 meter from any point, from B. Okay. Now do one thing. You are wasting time. At 1.7 from B is 1.1 plus 1.2 is 2.3. 1.7 is somewhere here. See, a point Q, a new point Q. So therefore, remember, if I project that point here, this is only for curiosity. This is 1.7. Someone will be laughing, what he is doing. Then if it is 1.7, this distance will be. I told you only for understanding purpose, 3.2 minus 1.7. You enjoy these things. 1.5 meter. Okay, this is random point. Okay, now take moment about Q. Okay, start here. Look that side. 12 into 1.7 clockwise plus 12 into 1.7 clockwise plus 25 into, this is 1.7, this is 1.1, this will be 0.6 plus UDL of 8 kilonewton per meter for 1.7 meter. 8 into 1.7 is the total load into 1.7 by 2. All these are clockwise from that side. Come this side. Start from here. Minus MA. Then plus VA into 1.5. Plus VA in minus MA, no distance, into 1.5. Then minus 20 into this distance. This is 1.5, this is 0.9, so this will be 0.6 meter. How much is minus? Yes. Minus 20 into 0.6. That 0.6, not this 0.6, by chance it came same. Okay. Then, see, this 0.6 is 1.7 minus 1.1. This 0.6 is 1.5 minus 0.9. Lastly, this much UDL, left side, minus 8 into 1.5 into 1.5 by 2 equal to 0. Oh, again say equation number 1. We got MA and VA both. Okay, now apply sigma V0 upward positive. It's already there. That one copy here. Copy it here. After copying that one, you know that VA equal to plus 82.6 kilonewton. Now substitute your VA equal to plus 82.6 kilonewton in equation number 1. Simplify, you calculate, therefore you will get the value of MA. I need not verify, still I will calculate. Now I have got 100% confidence. No see, if any calculation mistake is there, when I took moment about B, different answer would have come. Now if answer is not coming, it is the end of my structure engineering teaching. Okay, let me do it. Honestly I am doing, not like this. I am honestly doing it. 12 into 1.7 plus 25 into 0.6 plus 8 into 1.7 by 2. Then minus MA, leave it now, plus VA 82.6 into 1.5 minus 20 into 0.6 minus 8 into 1.5 into 1.5 by 2. minus MA plus 149.86 equal to 0. Therefore, your MA will come plus 149.86 kilowatt meter. Oh, see, positive sign indicates that assumed direction is correct. Everything is correct. Okay, over. Solution is completely over. Now, one last note. Last note. Okay, now, before you go further, make a note. Notice that, therefore, now we know that when you apply sigma m equal to 0, it is the most ideal solution is when you consider sigma m 0, don't tell A about the fixed end. Directly you get the answer. Now, one last note. Start here. Last note. We decided in the class in the beginning that MA is anti-clockwise because we know the reason. But imagine somebody wants, he will tell, sir, why not clockwise? Okay, confusion. So by chance, when you solve a question, you get confusion. Okay, do one thing. Then, see, lastly, once again come back here, right? Let VA upward, HA right, and MA be clockwise. See, someone will be laughing now. He is taking clockwise. I will tell him, I know it is anti-clockwise. Only for curiosity. Okay, let it be clockwise. Okay, then you mark MA this way. Okay, now apply first. Sigma M about A equal to 0, clockwise positive. This clockwise positive and this clockwise absolutely has no link. You should not see what positive when you decide the answer. Okay, start. Already explained earlier for you. Plus 12 into how much? 3.2 plus. Now this Q point is not there. The Q point is not there now. Okay. Now put the sketch once again. Q point is not there. Plus 25 into 1.2 plus 0.9 is 2.1. Then plus 20 into 0.9 plus UDL 8 kN per meter for 3.2 into 3.2 by 2 all over. Then clockwise you are taken plus MA equal to 0. Solve it here. Therefore, your MA will come 100% minus 149.86 kilonewton meter. Okay. Then make sigma V 0, already copy it. Copy from there. Then write support reaction will be as shown below. See here. What all I am dictating now. VA we considered upward. Answer came positive. Means VA is correct. Enter the answer. Upward direction. MA we considered in clockwise direction. Somebody will ask the question, what sign convention? Don't talk about sign convention. I am not seeing this one. See, I am not seeing this one. See, link here. Link here. I considered MA in clockwise direction. But answer, I got negative. Therefore, it means that, right, what all I tell now? We considered MA in clockwise direction, deliberately wrong thing or deliberately funny, because when these loads are rotating clockwise, if MA also clockwise, beam will rotate. Okay, then still we got negative sign. It indicates that this assumed direction is wrong. We assumed clockwise, negative sign came, therefore it is anti-clockwise. So, therefore mark MA in anti-clockwise, but this time no minus sign. See, minus sign gone now. It is actually, therefore, after everything class, your real MA is 149.86 kN meter anti-clockwise. Enter this diagram and close the question. Today's class is over. Actually, this class requires only 2 minutes. For those who understand everything, 2 minutes. Okay, now, I already told you, for cantilevers, you need not write anything. Direct answer, I will tell that also. Lastly, I will tell shortcut method. This I told by observation. Only calculator and pen. That's all. See here. Lastly, I will tell that also. Right here. Lastly, next time I won't tell these things. And lastly, shortest possible, shortcut. This is useful for competitive examination solve where only answer required. Nobody wants steps from you. Then what to do is see original beam. See original beam. Okay, see this beam. Okay, write it, sketch it. Sketch it once again. Sketch it once again. Again sketch it. Okay, then start. First, horizontal equilibrium. No horizontal load, therefore write directly no horizontal load, horizontal reaction HA equal to 0. 1 minute now, check the camera. Should not go beyond the camera there. Sometimes problem comes there. Okay, no problem. Okay. Then, no calculation. Vertical equilibrium. Down 12, down 25, down 20, down 8 into 3.2. Calculate. I use calculator only. Down 82.6. To balance it, this diagram you are right here, not here. Down 82.6. Therefore, up 82.6 VA. Kilonewton. Then, always consider rotational effect about the fixed end. Put finger here. Take your calculator. Take your calculator. I am not calculating. Take here. 12 into 3.2. 25 into 3.2 minus 1.1. 20 into 0.9. 8 into 3.2 into 3.2 by 2. All of them are clockwise. So all you add, it will give a net clockwise moment of 149.6 kilonewton meter is the action. So reaction is anti-clockwise of MA. See, I'll put here now. MA equal to 149.86 kilonewton meter over. That is the shortest possible. See, that's all. Further questions also, whenever possible or whenever I feel like, shortcut solution. Now, go through the entire class. Some may tell which can be solved in 1 minute. It took nearly 30, 40, 45 minutes. Okay, this is for understanding. Next time I won't tell this much. Correctly understand. Next class is question number 43. Okay. Next 43. Make a note. I forget always. 43 in cantilever. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.